going to the mosque. Mm, 24 is coming here. Bus number. That is exactly going through my workplace.
You working here where?
And Khalidiya.
Khalidiya.
Assalamu alaikum.
عليكم السلام.
وعليكم السلام. كيف حالك شو أخبارك؟
الحمد لله يا حبيبتي.
تمام الحمد لله.
This is his name.
أيوة I speak Arabic
عواد.
anyway.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
عواد عادي.
You just say the Arabic?
Yeah.
Ah.
I speak Arabic عشان all my big customer Arabic. Local Arabic.
طب why not talking me عربي now?
الحين كلام بس شو اسوي انا نوم كيف
It's good, good. Speak Arabic good.
الحمد لله.
Yeah.
Previous pause. Your total fare is 55.7.
الحين يا ابو 1 درهم 1 درهم يا
خلي ديسكاونت بابا شهادة.
55? Give me.
Say hi to my vlog. Let's go there. Ayan mga ka-sexy, pababa na nga kami dito sa guys, look at this guys. Alam nyo guys, dati hindi dito ang daan. Nagbago na siya guys, mga ka-sexy. So matagal na nga ako nakarating 5 years na akong hindi nakapunta sa Big Mosque. So ito nga guys, kaya na ako nakapasok dito. May mall pala sa baba. Ticket? There is a ticket din. Operated na ang mall na ito, matagal na. So ito mga kasama ko guys ay Chinese and syempre yung aking pamangkin, anak ng pinsang ko na hindi ko tinatawag na pamangkin kundi tinatawag ko siyang ate dahil mas matanda yung dugo nila kaysa sa amin, pero mas older din siya, pero pamanak siya ng pinsan ko. So si Ate Eva Sajo,
I am the photographer and the videographer.
Shout out sa'yo. Thank you, salamat ng marami dahil sa pagsama mo sa akin dito sa Big Mosque. Ayan. Lahat yan sila guys, business woman, especially Eva Sajo and her friends from Chinese. Ayan, from China. So, ito nga guys, yung sa loob ng mall, nasa pag-akyat mo nito guys, ito na yung Big Mosque. So guys, yung malaki ng pagbabago dati ang Big Mosque. Kapag pumasok ka doon, you will go to the other place. You can get free abaya, but this time around it's not free abaya anymore. So you have to buy abayas para makapasok ka sa Big Mosque. So, it's also a business na boom ngayon dahil hindi na free ang abaya. 5 years ago, I went there like free abayas. So, maraming abayas. And then after that, you have to return the abayas. This time around, you can buy your own abaya. So ito nga guys, ang laki-laki ng mall na ito at meron din sila mga restaurants. Of course, may mga pagkain masasarap din dito mga ka-sexy. Hindi lang Arabic, there is a Chinese food, Bangladesh food, Pakistan food, Filipino foods especially, and European food. So you can eat all here. Masasarap na pagkain. So ito guys, bago ka pumasok sa Big Mosque, you have to register your name so that you can easily pass by sa pagpasok sa entrance guys. So yun ang hinahanap, yung registration. So dito guys, makikita mo sa pinapakita ko ngayon guys, ay marami silang mga tawag dito, yung mga binibili mong pangregalo, remembrance, ayan. Yung pangregalo guys, so marami silang mga maliliit na ano. So ito nga pala si Eva Sajo, ayan. Ang may pamangkin na very rich. I can't imagine guys how she spent a lot of money because of her tour. She deserved this one, guys, because minsan lang naman talaga mag-tour. Sana all may pagkakataong makapag-tour. Sana maging mayaman din ako katulad ni Eva. So, ayan, ang ganda-ganda ng Big Moss, guys. As you can see, meron tayo dyang, ayan, dito ang entrance, guys, pagpasok. So, hindi namin naikot actually ang buong Big Moss dahil this time, guys, ay Friday ito, and then time ito ng pagsamba ng mga kabayan nating Muslim, mga kababayan natin, mga local Arab na ito ang time nila ng simba. So 3 o'clock matatapos na kailangan magsara ang Big Moss dahil dito ay magsasamba sila. So ayan, guys. So, ayan mga ka-sexy, nakapasok na nga kami dito sa Big Moss. Ang ganda-ganda. Ang ganda ng view, guys. Sobrang peaceful. Ayan. Talagang Instagrammable. You see that? Ang laki-laki ng kanilang moss. Isipin mo, guys, all people will gather there just to magsimba sila, magdasal, just to pray. Yes. So, ayan. Ang laki talaga, guys. Ganda, diba? Ayan, oh. So, I'm so happy that I work here in Abu Dhabi and get a chance to tour them. Especially, visit the beautiful places in Abu Dhabi. So, there you go, mga ka-sexy. So, everyone need to wear abayas. Just like the one that you see here, red color. Ayan. Para lang kaming magpinsan. shout out. Because I'm the youngest of the family. So, sila yung, pinanganak na una kaysa sa akin. Although, I'm the cousin tita, but I look like the youngest one. Yan. Thank you so much, ate. Ate Bobby Uzi, thank you so much. Eva Sajo, thank you so much for your love and support and your kindness. Your kindness really I really appreciate that, your kindness, and you spend a lot of money, so much that you treat us, everyone. Thank you so much. So, ayan, guys. Daming mga tour. Marami nagtutour. Everyone are welcome to tour in this Big Moss. Ayan. Hindi po ito swimming pool, guys, ha. This is like a fountain already. Only. So, ayan. Everyone can take pictures. Yeah, but not allowed to show off your hair. And not allowed to wear skirts. You should wear long dresses or abayas so that you can hide everything what you're inside. Yeah. And there's no separation of man and woman. You can just walk directly. And sad to say, this time was the day of prayer time, 3 o'clock. So we haven't go inside and we haven't to visit the beautiful Big Moss inside because of the time being, the time limits. So ayan, guys. So nice this experience dahil overwhelming. Marami kang makikita ng iba't ibang klaseng tao, iba't ibang klaseng lahi. And of course, the Big Moss itself, so napakaganda, napaka-solemn, napaka-peaceful. So, pinaghandaan talaga nito, guys. Ganito kalaking Big Moss. So, ayan na nga, natapos na kami makapunta sa loob. So, hindi namin naikot dahil nga sa prayer time nila. So, nag-pictorial na lang kami. Ayan, pictorial. Oh, yun. Again, thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like this video. If you like to share it guys. Again, thank you so much. Shout out to Eva Sajo, or otherwise Bobby Ozzy of Australia, for this treats. Thank you for visiting UAE, especially Abu Dhabi. Ayan, thank you for give us time to bonding, and thank you so much for the love. I really appreciate everything. Okay guys, and this is the friends of Eva Sajo, all are businesswoman. How I wish I become a businesswoman too. So ayan, ang ganda mga ka-sexy. Ayan guys, thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please sa mga bago dyan, for the new, please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Ka-Sexing Tekya. And thank you so much guys. God bless us all. Enjoy watching.